Hello everyone. Karnataka Law Society Belgavi started Vishwanath Deshpande Institute of Technology in the year 2004 is a sister organization of Bhakti Institute of Technology Belgavi. VDIT, located in a lush green campus, is a unique engineering institute delivering an opportunity to excel in academics through effective teaching learning methods and supported by Industry Connect, research facilities, and a guaranteed placement services along with training for self-employment. I wish every engineering aspirant to make a right choice of VDIT for better career prospects.
Hello everybody, welcome you all for KLS VDIT Haliyad. At KLS VDIT Haliyad, we strongly believe in overall development of the student. Apart from academic, we focus on overall growth of the student. The student will get opportunity to work with IIT Bombay spoken tutorial classes. They can have training in spoken tutorial class from IIT Mumbai, Swayam Tutorials. Each department has signed MOU with 5 to 6 industries wherein the students can do industrial training and internship. I am very happy to inform you that most of our students, they have completed Coursera courses offered by reputed Western universities. At VDIT, we strongly believe in adding extra courses to the students apart from VTU specified curriculum. Thank you very much.
As the student of VDIT, we feel it's our responsibility to share the facilities and opportunities available in VDIT.
VDIT offers 5 undergraduate programs: Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and 2 postgraduate programs.
Technology continues to change rapidly. What is considered an innovation today can become obsolete tomorrow. Hence, my institute spares no efforts to all of us, not only in their chosen discipline, but also helps to broaden our mindsets and create positive attitudes. The training and placement cell provides us various opportunities and equips us with all the qualities to make us as asset to whichever company we join.
Hello, we are the students from Computer Science and Engineering.
CS department is well equipped with 500 computers with latest configuration and all necessary software.
The department has Students Association named CPIS, which conducts competitive technical events under guidelines of faculty.
The department has a library with good number of books and magazines to help students to upgrade their knowledge in various areas of computer science and engineering applications. The department has well qualified and experienced staff members.
Through the interaction with industries, latest developments and trends, the department has created right ambient for learning with live projects and in-plant training. We are the students from Electronics and Communication Department.
Totally, 23 faculties with 8 supporting staff are available in the EC department. With the intake of 120 students every year, EC department has wonderful labs such as AC PCS lab, CCN lab, LD lab, ACDC lab, HDL lab, microprocessor lab, and department library.
We also have E&L lab with the support from KLS management and IIT Bombay. It is an advanced laboratory to execute the art lab state of projects in the field of embedded systems and robotics.
We are the students from Electrical and Electronics Department.
The Department of Electrical and Electronics was established in the year 2004 with a maximum intake of 60. It is one of the oldest and basic branches of engineering, having lots of potential in all the fields. The department has well qualified and experienced faculty, of which almost all are postgraduates. Totally, 10 faculties and 9 supporting staff are available.
E&E has the excellent lab facilities such as relay and high voltage lab, power electronics lab, control system lab, etc. and department library.
The department library has good number of technical books, journals and audio-video visual aids.
Magazines are provided to help students to upgrade their knowledge in various areas of electrical and electronics engineering applications.
Previous UT question papers are made available for preparing the exams. Non-technical books for personality development are included.
Competitive exam books are available for preparing students for various exams like KPTCL, UPSC, Railway, Defence, etc.
We are the students of Civil Department. Civil engineering is one of the oldest disciplines of engineering fields. Civil engineering is all about the infrastructural development and design techniques. The root of civilization is based on civil engineering. If there is no growth in infrastructure of a country, one cannot think of growth in any sector.
We are proud to be a part of Civil Engineer branch, following the footsteps of great Bharat Ratna Sir M. Vishweshwar Iyer.
KLS VDIT offers undergraduate program Civil Engineer with a vision produce quality civil engineers with a high level technical capacity and promote high-end research.
All the labs are well equipped with state-of-art and testing facilities, not only to meet the university curriculum but also industry and research.
Many students graduate from KLS VDIT have been occupied top position in prestigious organizations across the globe and many proud to successful entrepreneur and professionals.
We are the student from Mechanical Engineering Department.
Mechanical Engineering Department has started the BE program in the year 2004. Since its inception, the department has been imparting qualitative education for the students.
The department has highly qualified, committed and motivated faculty. It was well equipped with spacious laboratories and other infrastructural facilities to cater the needs of budding mechanical engineering students. Over the decade, the department has established state-of-the-art laboratories in various subjects, which are utilized both by the undergraduate and postgraduate students for conducting experiments.
The department has MOUs with various sectors of industries ranging from automotive to manufacturing domains.
Let us put light on the fundamental subjects of the engineering, that is chemistry and physics. The Department of Chemistry was established in the year 2004 to offer basic principle with a focus on applied aspects for undergraduate engineering students. The department has dedicated team of highly qualified and experienced faculty with affection for teaching and research.
The department aims at instilling a sense of keen observation and analysis in the minds of students, instigate the analytical skills in students and help the students excel in academic standards. The department also aspires to develop a full-fledged research and development center in chemistry, cultivating an inclination in students and staff to take up research which will be helpful for industries and society at large.
The department is recognized as Research Center in the year 2010 and offers PhD, MSc Engineering program by Research,
which is affiliated to VTU Belgavi. Totally, there are 3 faculty and 2 supporting staff, and lab has well-equipped instrument with great support of the faculty. The faculty members have published 24 research papers in their respective field.
The Department of Engineering Physics was established in the year 2004. The Department of Physics has 3 faculties and 2 supporting staff.
The department is recognized as Research Center in the year 2015 and it offers PhD by Research which is affiliated to VTU Belgaum. The faculty members have published 15 research papers in their respective fields in international journals and they have also published good number of papers in both national and international conferences and seminars.
Department of Mathematics was established in the year 2004. At present, there are totally 6 experienced faculties in the department, out of which 2 are PhD holders and the remaining faculties are pursuing their PhD. The Department of Mathematics is being recognized as a research center by VTU Belgaum from 2011. Permission has been granted to undertake the research activities under VTU. Department is well equipped with the infrastructural facilities. Our department is looking forward to make the valuable contribution in the field of mathematics, which will facilitate the study of engineering courses.
KLS VDIT is spread in a picturesque 28-acre lush green campus, making it very suitable for our studies and provides comfortable stay.
Apart from the regular academic, VDIT supports the students' stay and hospitality with various other facilities like transport, sports, gym, cafeteria, hostel for both boys and girls with mess facility, library and e-library, Wi-Fi enabled campus, temple and ATM. There are totally 12 buses in our institute, in which 9 buses travel from Dharwad, 1 from Hubli, 1 from Belgaum and 1 from Dandali. These buses travel every day from their respective places. The bus is completely free for all the students. Hardly 1 hour is enough to go by bus from Dharwad.
VDIT promises parental care to boys and girls residing in the hostel,
The boys' hostel accommodates 432 students in 2 hostels.
whereas 232 girls students are accommodated in the girls' hostels. Mess ensures quality food and safe drinking water. Solar water heaters provided hot water to each floor. Solar lights are used to illuminate the campus during night hours. Uninterrupted power supply is provided with the help of generators.
Dispensary in the campus takes care preliminary medical treatment. Separate doctor for boys and girls. Separate 8 MB per second internet connection to each hostel through Wi-Fi.
The facilities for indoor games like table tennis, carom, and chess are available here. VDIT has keen in providing sufficient time and facilities for sports and gymnasium, volleyball, basketball, badminton courts, as well as cricket, kho-kho, and kabaddi grounds.
Has the pride of 5 universities, Blues of the year 2014-15, 7 of the year 2015-16, 2 of the year 2016-17, 2 of the year 2017-18, and 1 each of the year 2018-19 and 2019-20.
VDIT has been rewarded a cash prize of 1 lakh by VTU Belgavi for its achievements in sports and cultural activities of 2014 and 15.
It is both our challenge and commitment to remain updated concerning these innovations and to ensure that we are exposed to critical skills that are necessary to become industry ready. VDIT has different moves with the various organizations of high repute.
To meet the industry expectations, we undergo various value-added courses in the institute, assessed by the many startups. Through the many collaborative programs and year-round activities, we are proud to say that we become industry ready by the time we finish our engineering.
Library is the temple of knowledge which blesses its users with required information and helps them in enriching their knowledge. VDIT Library has its own mission to fulfill all sorts of information needs of the students, faculty and staff of VDIT. The library Jnanasudha has a collection of 45,000 volumes. It includes 7,000 titles and more than 7,500 reference books. Jnanasudha had developed a good collection of resources to fulfill the teaching, research and academic needs of the students, faculty and staff of VDIT.
National and international journals, CD, DVD, Language Lab, Digital Library. Jnanasudha has separate browsing center for digital library with 30 high-end multimedia system with high internet speed connectivity. Users can take the benefit of browsing digital library and they can learn foreign languages such as English, French, German, Japanese and other languages.
I think VDIT had played a very important role in personality development, like developing skills, creativity, behavior, and discipline. Moreover, last year we had an education excursion to a Graspme Industries of Chemical Factory in Karwar, Kali Nadi Hydropower Plant in Dandeli, Ambikanagar, Supa Dam, Katra Dam, and a Premium Institute in India, Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore, which really helped us to build a practical knowledge.
Every year, Avishkar is celebrated as College Fest, which is a 3-day mega event which includes both technical and cultural events.
Hello everyone, Institute Induction Program Cell IIPC, which caters the finer aspects of human life such as universal human values. So the Institute Induction Program Cell looks into these finer aspects such as love, trust, respect, mutual cooperation and more importantly, how to develop good relationships. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mahendra M. Dikshit, Dean Research and Development, KLS VDIT Haliyad. Our KLS VDIT Haliyad is recognized research center by VTU Belgavi in the branch of Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering and Basic Engineering Science departments. Along with the continued research experimentation, institution also publishes research articles in renowned international publications which are indexed in Thomson Reuters, etc. Institute is also engaged in funded research project proposal preparations and execution. The prime highlight of KLS VDIT Haliyar in the domain of R&D is that it has extended its R&D events by signing Memoranda of Understanding with reputed institutes such as KLS GIT Belgavi, SDM CET Dharwad, Reva University Bangalore, KLE Technological University Hubli, to name a few. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ramakrishna, working as a Dean FIII and ED Cell. The Forum of Industry Institute Interaction and Entrepreneurship Development Cell tries to create a vibrant local innovation ecosystem and startup supporting mechanism. It also establishes a functional ecosystem for scouting ideas and pre-incubation of ideas. And also at KLS VDIT, we try to transfer students from job seekers to job creators. Thank you.
At KLS VDIT, we ensure that the training and placement and the academics go hand in hand. Now, in spite of COVID-19, the institute has taken care to impart quality education through platforms like Microsoft Teams, YouTube, and sending daily lecture notes through PDFs. Now, when it comes to training and placement, we see to that every student must graduate from VDIT with a job of his choice. And in order to see this happens, the training and placement cell continuously motivates and imparts quality training to ensure this happens.
We are very proud and privileged to be the part of this institute as it has thrived our lives, and we are heading to write our success stories. Lucky will be those who will get an opportunity to study in this institute. I would like to thank KLS management, principal, vice principal and all my faculties for their immense support. With this, we conclude with due honor and respect. Thank you. Thank you.